हेलो एवरीवन, प्रणव हियर। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मेरा नमस्ते आप सभी का। हर टुडे आई एम डूइंग फैंटास्टिक एज ऑलवेज। सो वेलकम टू डे 16 ऑफ 28 डे ग्रैटिट्यूड चैलेंज फ्रॉम दिस अमेजिंग बुक द मैजिक written by Rhonda Byrne. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Day 16 is all about magic and miracles in health. It starts with a quote. Miracles are not contrary to nature, but only contrary to what we know about nature. Written by Saint Augustine, a theologian and Catholic bishop. We should feel healthy, energized, and full of happiness most of the time because that is how it feels to have our birthright of full health. The reality, however, is that a lot of people don't feel this way very often, if ever. Many people are dealing with illness, problems with the functioning of their body, or suffering from bouts of depression and other mental health problems, which are all states of less than full health. Gratitude is one of the fastest way I know to magically begin experiencing the full state of health you are meant to have in your body and mind. All the miracles of healing we see happen we simply the result of all health being restored insanely in the human body, where before there was less than full and perfect health. If you don't think gratitude creates miracle in your health and body, then read some of the 1,000 miracle stories on The Secret website www.thesecret.tv/stories. Gratitude's magical power increases the natural flow of health to the mind and body and can assist the body in healing more quickly, as countless studies have shown. The magical power of gratitude also works hand in hand with good bodily care, nutrition, and any medical assistance you might have chosen to follow. When there is some kind of sickness or condition in your body, it is understandable that you may have negative feelings about it, like worry, frustration, or fear. But having negative feelings about sickness does not restore health. In fact, it has the opposite effect. It reduces health even more. To increase your health, you need to replace the negative feelings with good feelings, and gratitude is the easiest way to do it. Many people also have critical thoughts and feelings of dissatisfaction about their physical appearance. Unfortunately, those thoughts and feelings also reduce the magical flow of health. When there's something you don't like about your body, you are not being grateful for your body. Think about it. By the law of attraction, complaints about your body bring more problems or complained about, and so complaining about your body or appreciate puts your very health at risk. Whoever does not have gratitude for their health and their body, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her. Whoever has gratitude for their health and their body will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance of health to their body. You may be sick or unwell now, or even in a lot of pain, but if you're reading these words, you are continuing to receive the gift of health. It can be very difficult to access feelings of gratitude when sick or in pain, but even the smallest bit of gratitude helps increase the magical flow of health to the body. Today's practice, Magic and Miracles in Health, is designed to dramatically increase your health and happiness, and we are going to take a triple pronged approach to accelerate the result. Step 1. Health you received in past. Think about the great health you have received throughout your childhood, adolescence, and adult life. Think about the times when you felt full of energy and you were happy. Recollect 3 separate times in your mind when you felt on top of the world. Say the magic words thank you and feel sincere gratitude for those times. If you think back to the big moments in your life, you will be able to reflect 3 separate times very easily. Step 2. Health you are continuing to receive. Think about the health you are continuing to receive today and feel grateful for every organ, system, and physical sense that is currently working well in your body. Think about your arms, legs, hands, eyes, ears, liver, kidneys, brain, or heart. Choose 5 functions of your body that are well, and one by one mentally say the magic words thank you for each one. Number 3, or step 3, health you want to receive in future. You are going to choose one thing you want to improve about your body for today's magical practice, but you are going to use gratitude's magical power for it in a very particular way. Think about the ideal state of what you want to improve. When you give thanks for that ideal state of anything, you have put into motion to receive back that ideal state. Very often, when a person is diagnosed with an illness or disease of some kind, they will not only talk about it a lot, but they will research the disease, gathering information about its possible worsening symptoms and dreaded outcomes. In other words, they give their entire focus to the disease. However, the law of attraction says that we can't make a problem go away by focusing on it, because focusing on the problem can only make the problem worse. Instead, we should do the exact opposite and focus on the ideal state for the area of our body that is unwell and give our thoughts and feelings to that. Gratitude for the ideal state of any part of our body powerfully uses our thoughts and feelings together, so we magnetize it to us in one felt whoop. Spend 1 minute in visualizing a scene of yourself with the ideal state of your body that you want. And as you see your body in your mind the way you want it to be grateful for it as though you have received it. So, if you want a magically restore health to your kidneys, be grateful for strong and healthy kidneys that filter and stiff out all the waste products from your body. If you want to magically restore health to your blood, be grateful for pure and healthy blood that flows oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. If you want to magically restore health to your heart, give thanks for a strong and healthy heart that maintains the well-being of every organ in your body. If you want to magically improve your eyesight, then give thanks for excellent vision. If you want to improve your hearing, then give thanks for perfect hearing. If you want more flexibility, then give thanks for a perfectly supple and agile body. If you want to change your weight, first think about the ideal weight that you want to be. Then imagine yourself at that ideal weight and give thanks for it as though you have received it now. Whatever it is that you want to improve, first imagine yourself with the ideal state and then be grateful for the ideal state as though you have received it in now. There is a quote, "Natural forces within us are the true healers," written by Hippocrates, father of Western medicine. You can follow the magic and miracles in health practice every day if you need to, and you can do it multiple times in a day. If you really want to accelerate the magical restoration of full health or the improvement of an aspect of your body, but it is vital that whenever you have a negative thought or feeling about the current state of your body or health, that you replace it immediately by visualizing yourself with the ideal state you want and by being truly grateful as though you have already received it. The most effective way to guarantee health, other than taking good care of yourself physically, is to continue to be grateful for your health. Now, guys, let's understand magical practice number 16. Number 1, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, recollect 3 separate times throughout your life when you felt top on the world and give sincere thanks for those times. Number 3, think about 5 functions of your body that are well and one by one give thanks for them. Number 4, choose one thing about your body or health you want to improve and spend 1 minute visualizing yourself with the ideal state of your body or health, then give thanks for this ideal state. Number 5, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magical rock in one hand and say the magical word thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Guys, these are the list of activities you need to perform today itself. So what I will recommend is find yourself a quiet empty space where nobody is going to disturb you. Sit with the notebook and the pen with the soothing music on. And if you're unable to find any soothing music, in my channel there are plenty of them. You can choose anyone, just listen to them and write your gratitude and feel them. It's like you express your feeling for something which is going to change your life completely. So do it, guys, and all the best for you, and I'll see you tomorrow again with tomorrow's day challenge. Till then, stay safe, wear mask, and make sure you wash your hands every single day and every single hour. so that you are safe and your family is also safe.